I'm going to show you how to complete a word problem on unit rate. So a printing store used 24 ounces of ink in 18 minutes. Which graph has a slope that best represents the average number of ounces of ink used per minute? Okay, so the first thing I want to do here is notice that I have two variables. I have ounces of ink and 18 minutes. I have to determine which one of those represents X and which one of those represents Y. In this case, it's really easy because time is always X. But if it was not that easy, you can always just look at your X and Y axis here, and it's going to tell you which one is which. Okay, so since time is always X, 18 is X, and 24 is Y. So we need to put this in the form of a coordinate. Our coordinates are in the form of X, Y. So that would be 18, comma, 24. So sometimes they make it easy on us and we can just look for that coordinate on the graph. But if you notice, our graphs do not go all the way to 18. So we have to make this smaller. We have to find our unit rate. Now we can do that by using our formula for slope or for unit rate, which is K equals Y divided by X. So I'm going to take my Y, which is 24, and I'm going to divide it by 18. I'm going to show you how to do this in Desmos really quickly, really easily. Okay, so I'm going to put in 24 divided by 8. Oh, not 8, I'm sorry, 18. And then I'm going to click this fraction button right here, and it's going to give me my simplified fraction, 4/3. Okay, so now I know this is equal to 4/3, and I can turn that into a coordinate. Remember that X is on the bottom, Y is on the top. So my new coordinate would be 3, 4. Now notice this is much smaller, and now I can find it on one of these graphs. So my next step would be to go through each graph, and I'm going to circle 3 on my x-axis, and I'm going to go all the way up to the point where I reach this line, and then I'm going to go to the side. Notice the coordinate for this graph is 3, 2. Remember, we're looking for 3, 4. So this could not be my answer. Now I'm going to go to B. Same thing. I'm going to circle 3 on my x-axis, go all the way up to my line, go to the left, and circle my number there. So my coordinate here would be 3, 4. Which, yay, that is what we're looking for. So this is a maybe, but remember, we have to go through and check all of our answer choices. So for C, again, I'm going to circle 3 on my x-axis, and then go up to my line, and go to the left. Now this looks really close, but it's between 4 and 6, which gives me a coordinate of 3, 5. And that is not what we're looking for. We're going to go to D. Again, circle 3 on my x-axis, go up to my line, and then left. This gives me the coordinate 3, 8, which is not what we're looking for. So this could not be my answer. So that only leaves me with an answer of